I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use photos with Gemini. First, open Gemini and look for the image upload icon, which often looks like a small mountain or a camera. Tap this icon to select a photo from your device's gallery or take a new one. Once your image is uploaded, you can immediately start asking questions or giving prompts related to its content. Gemini will then process the visual information to provide helpful responses. After uploading your photo, the next step is to interact with it. You can ask Gemini to identify objects, explain a concept shown, or even translate text within the image. For example, you might upload a picture of a plant and ask, "What kind of plant is this?" Or upload a recipe and ask, "What are the ingredients needed for this dish?" Be as specific as possible with your prompts for the best results. Gemini can do more than just identify things. It can also spark creativity. Upload a photo of your living room and ask for interior design ideas, or share a picture of a drawing and request suggestions for improvement. You can even upload a screenshot of a long article in Gemini to summarize the key points for you. This feature is incredibly useful for quick information retrieval and brainstorming. Beyond basic analysis, Gemini can handle more complex tasks. You can upload two photos and ask Gemini to compare them, highlighting differences or common elements. It can also interpret diagrams or flowcharts, helping you understand complex processes or even generate code from visual representations. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Using photos with Gemini truly expands its capabilities, making it a powerful visual assistant for many daily tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.